What's up, MBJ family? And we're back with another video. Okay.
Yeah. Let me do my part.
Today we are going to be doing cooking with the MBJ family. We're making peanut punch.
What? Slow down. So today, what time is it? It's a little, so
stupid watch.
she's jealous that she doesn't have this watch. This is my Samsung watch. This counts my steps. Similar to a Fitbit. But anyway, it's like a late breakfast. I got up a little late, did my devotion, stayed in bed a little longer. I'm off today, so I decided to make some breakfast for everyone. So on the menu would be
Vienna sausages.
Vienna sausages.
Oh, Vienna sausages.
Vienna sausages. Everybody knows what Vienna sausages is.
Yeah.
We're gonna spruce it up with some onions and tomatoes and ketchup. We're gonna show you how we do that. And then we're going to make something that's called pot bake. And it's a bread that you actually make in a pot. I'm gonna show you how to do that. And then to drink, we're gonna have
peanut punch.
Who knows about that?
No one.
Yes, they do. There's some West Indian people and of course some American people that know about peanut punch. We're gonna show you how to make that. But right now we have to run out and get some ingredients because we ran out of the sweet milk. That's for the peanut punch. And what else?
Nothing.
I think I should get a bag of ice.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna get a bag of ice. And yeah, we'll be back. Okay guys, so really quick, I want to show you how I get my my dough ready for the pot bake. So I have my flour, self-rising flour. I got this from Kroger's. And I also have baking powder. It helps rise the flour. And yeast, fast rising yeast. This is instant. You have the yeast that you can actually put in the water and wait for it to activate. This one is faster if you want to just quickly make something. So because we're doing this really fast, I just said to myself, hey, let me just go ahead and get something that's going to help make this process go by fast. So this is what I use to take my flour out, and this is 1 cup. So we're going to be, I guess, using, let's see. It all depends on how I feel. So there's 1 cup. I'm putting this in my strainer, but I sift it with that. I know there's sifters out there, whatever, that's what I use. So this is 2 cups. So let's go ahead and sift what we have already.
Okay, all of it.
That's 2. Three cups. All right, and we're gonna do 4 cups and that's it. We may get like 2 bakes out of this. And then I'm done. I'm putting this in the sink. Wash it out. I wash and go. When I cook, I wash as I go. I like to have a clean kitchen. So my flour is sifted. I'm gonna go in and use some baking powder. You guys are gonna ask like how much I put in here. I promise you, I don't even know. I put as I go. Maybe I overdo it. But let me tell you something, it comes out good. So who cares?
Okay.
She said I'm putting a lot. Who cares what she said, right? And then we have our yeast. I put the whole pack in here. Why? Because that's what I do. I don't have a reason. I don't. I know there's measurements to this thing. This is why I'm not a chef. I'm a cook. I'll cook. It comes out good. That's what it is. The next thing you should do is put a little salt in it. And we have kosher salt, which is really good. Why am I sweating? It's hot in here. Oh my gosh. Kosher salt. I'm gonna put a little bit in my hand, not too much, guys, but enough to taste. Okay guys, so We're gonna leave the flour out. It's really important too. I'm gonna tell you why later on. I'm gonna put away my salt and my baking powder. And let's clean this counter down really quick. So the next step is to put some liquid in here, right? For liquids. And my water should be warm. I think the water should be warm. Well, I know because of what people tell me. My mom used to say, shouldn't put cold water in when you're kneading dough. I don't know why. But I think it's easier to knead. It's softer. It's not true. Don't say that. Don't do that. So are you guys able to see this? Are they able to see me pour this water? Stop. You gotta show them how I'm doing this. You're just wiping my face so hard. Oh my God. Slap you. Oh God. Okay, guys. So I had to add a little bit of flour because it got way too soft, which is a good thing. It's really a good thing. Now we leave it here for a little bit. We're gonna cover it and we're gonna allow it to rise. It will rise fairly quick, and plus because of the ingredients. All right, so let's just wait. And we'll be back. Okay guys, so we're in Kroger's now, so we're gonna go get our ingredients. So the first stop is what? What did I say I was gonna get?
The sweetened milk.
Okay, so where is that? I can't remember. This is crazy, guys. All right, let's go. I don't know what I'm doing. Whatever. In my mind, I believe it should be down here with the T. But I don't think so. All right, guys, so I'm here. I'm gonna get my avocado oil. Okay, so let's go get some of this. This is for $5, so $1.25 each. My mom says don't ever pick up dented cans. Ask me why. I don't even have a reason. But I just listen to her, right? Listen to your mother. Juice and then ice.
Oh yeah, ice from where though? Here?
Ice from here. They have ice. Let's go get the juice, guys. Oh, we need some tomatoes because I don't think we have any.
Okay.
Four beautiful tomatoes. All right, guys. These are called plum tomatoes. Let's go get some juice. This one is better, so. 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, let's go.
Where's the ice?
I'm not sure yet. I gotta ask.
We're back from the supermarket. We got some stuff, the sweetened condensed milk and some tomatoes, juice, and ice.
You saw that. Yeah. Oh, you guys gotta see this though. The dough. You guys gotta see this. I tell you, it doesn't take long. I tell you guys, it does not take long for the dough to rise. And voila. Look at that. How beautiful.
Okay.
I'm excited. You guys should be too. You guys want to eat with us. Let's go. Yes, ma'am. All right. So first things first. Let's start with the peanut punch, right?
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that.
So you need the blender. We need the blender and the ingredients for the peanut punch. We need the peanut punch. This is our blender.
Cinnamon and nutmeg.
It's really important. Oh.
Essence.
Yeah, this is essence. I actually got this from Trinidad. And all of my Trinidadian people know where you guys can get this from Ibrahim.
And then we got creamy peanut butter that Kitty loves. You should see her face right now. She's about to do it.
And then of course you got milk.
Oh,
The almond milk. We do not drink cow's milk. And ice. I'm gonna run and get ice. It's in the deep freeze in the garage. But either way, someone's gonna go get it for us. Who is someone? All right, guys. So we're just waiting for Dee Dee to come with the ice, because we normally put the ice in first. And you know what? There's no right or wrong way of how you make this once all of the ingredients are in. But I would say put ice in first. Please do not do that while I'm speaking. And then you put the milk in. But you guys are gonna see. Can I have the sweet milk, please? Let's wash the top off.
oh yeah, I forgot. But you can do that.
Yeah, I will.
And then
Thank you, Dee Dee.
how to do that twisty thing for the candy.
Can I have this? All right, so
The can opener. What?
so I'm gonna rinse this
The
out.
can opener. Like we have to find the can opener.
We want this washed. Look in the other drawers.
First of all, it's supposed to be in this. Not in that. Okay.
This is enough ice, guys. Look. Maybe it may be too much ice.
Your mama learned how
Oh,
to
she
do
learned.
it.
All right. Good job, girly.
I just want to lick it.
Not yet. All right, guys. So I'm going to place this back. And I'm going to pour my milk.
There's a lot of ice.
I just said that, if you were paying attention.
No, because I was opening the can.
No, meaning if you were listening. We also have cola too. Show them the cola that we have. The cola, that's it. Like, you can use either or, the cola or the mix. But you know, just like Azalea said, just half of this cap.
That's more than half.
It's not. It's actually not. And like I said, I am not a chef, I'm a cook. So don't ask me about measurements. I eyeball it.
What's the difference?
Well, I think the difference is there's no measurement. There's just a lot of experience with cooks. We've just been in the kitchen. You know what? Let me just take that back, because the chefs are experienced too. But with us as cooks, we learn by what we see. We don't go to school for it. We learn within the kitchen. And now this is a nutmeg. I already put in the cinnamon, now the nutmeg. Eyeballing it. Not too much, but just enough. Well, let me just do this really quick. Can I have a spoon? Yeah, don't worry about that. It's not, yeah, it's just oil because peanut butter is oily. So now I'm putting the condensed milk. And it's very sweet, guys. So be careful. Don't overdo it.
Overdo it. Tastes really good.
Don't overdo it. And now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to blend before I even put the peanut butter in. Okay, guys?
Can we see it when it goes in, or you think it'll just be splash?
I think it's going to splash, but
All right. Let's see.
okay, guys. So
Sounds like it has a lot of ice.
it does. The ice is not done being crushed up. Where did I get this from? I think Sam's Club. Yeah, Sam's Club.
Why is Dee from?
Okay, guys.
What does it look like?
So now I'm blending this up again. How did that happen? That's not funny.
It's not.
So why are you laughing?
Did you just put it in there?
Yes. And this numbskull is laughing at me. Oh my gosh. Just cut the damn video for now. Because this has to get cleaned.
Okay.
Sorry guys, just wait. Sam! So waiting how I can get back to Canada no time soon.
I'll just swipe that right in the thing.
Just swipe it. Damn counter is disgusting. It's like nothing nowhere. This freaking musclehead is laughing. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut your thing up. Just let them know you're about to cut it up. You'll be back.
No.
Okay, guys.
I got another mix. Oh, I got a bunch of them, okay?
Probably that one was dirty. Zay, give her the bowl so she can wipe it. No, I'm talking about wait for your stuff. Squeeze it out, though.
I had to walk up and down in the damn hot sun to get this, not you.
My hot son.
What, son?
Can you taste that peanut butter? Just tell me if it tastes good. Use a spoon.
It's too foamy, so I really can't.
Ma, you upset?
I am. I mean, thank God I got like 3 more bottles, but still.
How much was it?
It's okay, Mom.
Be quiet. Your money
She talking about the shake.
Oh, look at the paper towel.
Look at the wall.
Oh.
Move your phone, Mom. You didn't get on that. That's so weird. Smells good. Probably if you didn't hit that. It's alright, it's okay. Probably the counter just needs to get cleaned.
We could just take some.
You want to take you want to help? And stop looking at how it got on the paper.
You.
Yeah, take it off and wipe the counter with that paper.
I didn't know what you wanted.
But what do you? Oh, does it need more?
You got it on the floor?
Yeah. Sweet condensed milk. Does it need more?
Probably.
Did he taste it?
Tina's not gonna
No,
taste that.
I'm
She
okay.
doesn't like peanut butter.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
That got to be the last thing on earth. That or a human. I'll probably eat the human. Sorry, Zay, you got to be eaten. You guys, I'll have this.
What's that?
Gosh, I can't get them to see it. Hold it.
Oh my God, who the hell cares?
Freaking freakazoid.
Is a crush thing. All you gotta do is add it to some water.
It's meant to get you upset.
Apparently.
Is the AC still on?
Yes, and it's hot like butt.
All right.
Okay, guys.
You're sweaty. You might as well take this.
Leave it, please.
Let me show you, Mom.
And get a new cloth.
Cloth. From where? 10 years later.
Thank you.
Dee Dee. Hi.
All right, so that one is done. Now Azalea's going to do the sausages, and then I'm gonna help her cut the onions and tomatoes up for the Vienna sausage, Vienna, and then we're going to do the pot bake. Okay, guys? Okay. So we'll be right back, and we're gonna show you how everything is cut up. Okay, guys. So I'm done cutting up the onions.
And then
Hit the Vienna sausages.
All right, so right now, show them the oil that I use. I use grapeseed oil. I put it back inside the can.
Grapeseed oil blend.
Guys, if you guys can hear like stuff going on back there, the fans are on because the AC is not working today. I don't know what's going on. All right, so right now, yeah, I'm gonna do that. The tomatoes going up a little later, but we're gonna put in the onion first.
I'm scared we'll probably pop. Oh, no.
So we're gonna leave it there for a little bit, and now I'm gonna go wash my tomatoes and cut some tomatoes. Okay, and then after that, we're going to start with the pot bake. I'm excited to show you guys how we do it up in here.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yeah, put this in the fridge. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm just touching your face. Thank you, Kaya. Kaya is always watching our videos, always commenting. We appreciate your love. Thank you, Curtis, for doing the same. And Sam, we appreciate you all. We love you. Jamel, pay attention to this, right? Because you guys, you're always asking me about how I make this and that. And probably you wouldn't even eat this anymore because you turn vegan. So it's okay.
What? Seriously?
Yeah, she's a vegan now. Either way, or Alicia, if you happen to come on, you can pay attention to this and watch how I actually make pot bake. Charmaine.
Yes, Charmaine.
We love you, Shasha. Who else you showing now? Jen. What's up, Jen? Jen in the house with Zayn and Zara. Hey, Kiana. Right?
Yeah.
Who else?
I don't know.
And everyone else who watches, we thank you. We appreciate the views, the likes, the comments. If you have any other, or if you have anything you can think of for us to make or cook, put it right down at the bottom and we'll try it. about them?
In the comments.
In the comments. Whatever, you guys know what I'm talking about.
No, they don't.
They do. Okay, so
the
let's take a
tomatoes
look.
are cut up.
Tomatoes are done.
They're not really that.
They're not brown, so we're waiting a little bit more, okay guys?
Now we're
Okay, so what we can do now is move this area, let's clear up this area. I'm gonna put the tomatoes into the stove. Right now I'm cleaning out my counter because I'm about to get my parchment paper so I can put my dough on it so I can roll out my dough to make my pocket so you guys can see how I do it.
okay. We got the parchment paper. 2 Mom, or just 1?
One is fine for now. So this is the parchment paper. So I rest it here. So everyone, and by the looks of this dough, I can get at least 2 pot bakes from this. So I'm gonna cut it in half and knead it on the parchment paper. It's not parchment. I just took this out the drawer, but I just took it out a little while ago from the dishwashing machine. So this was washed before. Normally I rinse out my things that's been laying in the drawer for a long time, but I just put it in there. For those that peek that I'm like, oh, she didn't even rinse out her utensils, but I do. So half of that. See you guys? This is how you want it to look.
It's not fun.
But you want it to be that consistency. And then we're going to cover this and put this to the side. And because it's a little sticky, I'm going to put some flour on the parchment paper so it doesn't stick to it, okay guys? So you practice until you get it, okay guys? You guys are able to do it as well. So the next thing I'm going to do is get my rolling pin.
Oh, the onions, they're cooking now.
Oh, the onions are
see
cooking,
some.
you see it. Okay, so let's put this to the side for now.
All right.
This is my rolling pin. I'm actually going to rinse this out since it's been inside of the drawer for a minute. And now we're going to put the camera down so we can tend to the onions. Hello, yes. My hands are clean. Get the This is quiet. Now get the garlic powder. It's right there. Open it and pour it.
How'd you say?
No, she's sprinkling the garlic powder in.
It's just smoking.
Okay, that's enough. And now we're gonna cover this, okay? Can you rinse that off? Push your rinse that off.
off.
Look at. Go ahead. Beautiful. So let it stay there for a little bit.
I want hot
This is
chocolate.
black. It's on the. Okay, guys. So now it's time to roll out the dough.
Okay, let's show them. No.
Get a drum as a toy for Christmas. Was one of the greatest innovators. The note went right.
Okay.
Mom never does this.
Yeah,
She's
but
just
I
showing
did.
off.
Anyway, you never see me do it
What?
fully because you're too busy waiting at the table to eat.
Mom never did that.
I'm telling you I did. All right, so this is the best you guys are gonna get today. And the next thing I'm gonna do is get a fork. Why?
To poke it. To poke you.
Why are you poking it? Shoot, I don't know. I see them poking it, so I poke it. I swear to you, I don't know. But someone sees that, tell me why do we poke it, or why do you guys poke it? Is it just for design, for style, for it to look cute? I don't know. Someone
Exactly.
said to get air through it to cook properly, but it's not getting air through the other side. It's not like I'm putting it through the other side. Because I think it would still cook properly even if I didn't put this in there. Okay, Mom, let's go. Stop. I'm not taking eons. Why are you always in a rush?
Exactly.
Well, we still gotta wait. All right, so guys, we're gonna let that sit here for a little bit until the sausages are done, and then this is gonna be the last thing that we do. So now the next thing we do, oh, look at it, guys. Yummy. Yummy. So the next thing we're gonna scoop this up and put the tomatoes in.
Let me go on the other side.
And this is one of the best meals that you can make, especially if you do not have a lot of money, right? You're broke. It's easy, it's filling, it is. Flour is not expensive.
Yeah.
It's not the best for you, but it's not expensive. Vienna sausages are not expensive. And this is all chicken. It's not mixed with beef and pork, because we don't eat beef or pork anymore. Well, I don't.
Yeah,
My
same.
older daughter don't.
Yeah, same. I know. What? No, I stopped.
Okay, so the next thing we do. So what do we do the next step, Jay?
You get the garlic powder.
We did the
Oh,
garlic powder.
the ketchup. Sorry. The. Be quiet. You need more than that, Mom.
No, that's enough.
No.
Okay, and then I put a little water in there. And then let's leave it there and let it simmer.
Okay. I need a break. I've been doing a lot, you know.
Okay, guys. So the next step is we're just waiting for us to for the sausages to be done. And the reason why is because where we're gonna put the bacon, the pot is extremely big. Let me show you guys. I got this pot from my father before he passed away. So this is my favorite pot. So we have to wait till the other thing, the other thing is done cooking on the stove. It's almost finished, guys. Almost finished. We're almost about to eat. You guys are about to eat with us. We're gonna have a good time. So mean, these flies are just flying all over the place. Can you clean that down? Could you stop saying what you didn't do and just clean it? I didn't ask you if you did. I said clean it down. Clean it down. I didn't do that. So? Who cares if you didn't do it or not? Just clean it. Can you put that away? The Lysol, can you put it away? Like put it away now, like pick it up and wipe underneath it. What is this?
Oh, the battery is about to die.
Okay guys, we'll be back in a moment. Guys, beautiful. All right, so this one is done. Now we're gonna start with the pot bake. Coming right back. Okay guys, so I'm just rinsing on my pot really quick. All right, come on, let's put this. So we have the pot on the stove. The flame is not high. This is for the pot bake, and it should not be high. I have some coconut oil that I use to make this. And we're gonna put a little here. Not that you really need it, but. Huh? It's a lot. Yeah, it's a little bit. Covering the whole pot, bottom pot. Okay? And then our next thing is just making sure and your pot does not have to be this big. Don't go out there purchasing something that you probably can't afford right now. It's okay. You can be able to roll your dough out as big as the bottom of your pot. Now I'm just going to leave this here for a little bit, for a couple of minutes, until it gets golden brown on one side. Then we're going to flip it on the next side and see how it comes out, okay? Normally it comes out really flaky and nice. So we'll be right back. All right, guys. So it's cut up now. We just gave some food to Aaron and Dee Dee. Let's go show them the plate. This is Dee Dee's food. Yeah. Aaron, would you like some peanut punch?
Yes, please.
So what we're going to do is blend it. Let's go get a cup for him, Celia. I'm just going to rinse this one out really quick. And then we're going to pour it out. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for joining us.
All right.
We had a blast doing this. Don't forget, if you have any other ideas for us, just put it down in the comment.
Yes.
comment down below.
Yeah. Thank you guys.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
We all we got. Love you.
Yes, it's hot.